Hello learners! In this video, we're going to learn 14 phrases that every English beginner must know. So let's get started. The first phrase is sooner or later, at some time in the future. We use this phrase to say that something is certain to happen at some time in the future, even though you do not know exactly when. For example, sooner or later you will have to come to terms with your father. By oneself, alone or without assistance. If you are by yourself, you are alone. Dave still lives in the big house by himself. If you do something by yourself, you do it without the help of anyone else. I painted the room all by myself. No one helped me. 3. On purpose, not accidentally, deliberately. If you do something on purpose, you do it deliberately, not by accident. I didn't break it on purpose. It was an accident. 4. At all, to any degree. This phrase is used with negatives and questions to add emphasis to a statement. We have nothing at all to say. 5. For good. This phrase means permanently, forever. Today, I quit smoking for good. 6. All of a sudden, suddenly, unexpectedly. If something happens all of a sudden, it happens quickly and without warning. All of a sudden, it started raining cats and dogs. 7. Ahead of time, before a scheduled time or event. If you do something ahead of time, you do it before a scheduled time or event. Plan your meeting and set the agenda ahead of time. 8. Would rather, prefer to. This phrase is used to say that you would prefer to do or have something. I would rather stay home than go out tonight. 9. Over and over, repeatedly. This phrase is used to put emphasis on something that happens many times. I warned the children over and over about the danger of smoking. 10. Quite a few, a fairly large number, many. This phrase means a fairly large number of people or things. By itself, few refers to a small number of something. Quite a few students were absent yesterday. 11. Once in a while, sometimes but not often. If something happens once in a while, it happens sometimes but not often or regularly. The phrase once in a while can be used with the determiner every. We see each other every once in a while. 12. First rate, extremely good, superb. If you say that something or someone is first rate, you mean that they are excellent. Our efforts will focus on providing first-rate service to our guests. 13. To be up to be someone's right to make a decision. This phrase is used to say that someone can make a choice or decision about something. I really don't care whether we go out or not. It's up to you. 14. Clear-cut, definite and easy to understand. Something that is clear-cut is definite and easy to understand. I think the president's message is clear-cut.